Hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and this is my shopping life. I hope your day's going well so far, because today we are shopping at Ikea, and I haven't been to Ikea in over a year, so I'm really excited. This is the COSTA MESA location. This is a huge store, and my husband told me I have 1 hour because we have dinner reservations, so let's see if I could go through the store in 1 hour. And starting with the squeegee. These actually come in so handy. So for $2, I'm actually going to pick up one for our shower. And if you make your own cleaning solution, these spray bottles definitely come in handy here. I really like the size of them. So those are $3 each. And you can see they have a lot of squeegees. And the scented candle in the glass for 80 cents. And throughout the store, they do have the yellow carrying bags. So if you're seeing any merchandise you want to pick up, you can definitely carry around. They also have 2 different shopping carts as well. So we have artificial flowers for 50 cents. And then these are flexible plastic cutting boards. So those are handy. And those are $1.80. And the spoons, a 4-pack of spoons for 30 cents. And you can see they have sold down, which I agree, for 30 cents, definitely you want to grab a couple. And I always like their settings. They have a lot of living room settings, kitchen settings. I really like this teacup with the saucer. How much is this? Okay, $20 for a pack of 2. So there's 2 levels, so the kitchen items are going to be downstairs, so I'll see if I can find that teacup downstairs. We have some throws, and these feel soft. We have it right here. I like the pattern. How much are these? $25. And lots of different couches. And different materials. So if you like something a little bit more velvet or not velvet, they have so many different options. This one is really pretty, but the price is a little steep. Yeah, for a small couch, $1,350. My husband and I, we do need a new couch, and I like this one. I really like the blue velvet, so pretty. And this one's a little bit more reasonable, $800, but I'm gonna keep shopping around. We have a nice shadow box frame, and that is $10. And I always love checking out their kitchens. My dream kitchen is the drawers. My husband kind of likes the countertop, but I'm not sure. I'm thinking of going with a quartz, but I love the drawers. And then you have the secret drawer right here with the lights. Ooh, this is really nice. And I just feel that you could get more in the drawers versus like the regular cabinets. And then we also like this console table over here. That is perfect for an entryway. I like how high it is. My husband really liked the height. And it's not too deep, so this would fit perfectly in a doorway, kind of like the example they have right here. It's $300. Now, just to let you know, if there's anything you like in the video, just go to Ikea.com. Their website, they have 90% of these items on their website that you can order. If you're looking for a sleeper sofa, this one actually looks pretty cozy with all the pillows. It's $1,500. They do tend to cost more, but if you're limited on space, they do come in handy. I know they could get really heavy though. Now, this cabinet is really nice. I like the hardware. It's $550. But pieces like this is something you don't buy very often, at least for us. But the drawers are nice and smooth. And even right down here. So just kind of pull on it a little bit and it glides so smoothly open. That is really nice. My husband likes it as well. I think it would make a great coffee bar. And then here's another cabinet. So this is a little high. It's not available though. Now the IKEA family price, if you go to their website and just sign up for their family, it's actually really easy and you do get some discounts. I think this would make a great, like a little buffet to store extra dishes. And it closes really smooth. Now I do have this bookcase. I have this one in my office. It took a day to put it together, and that's one of the hard things about IKEA. You have to put everything together. The instructions are never clear. But it's $130. My daughter has this one in her room. And she really likes it with all her books, but the drawers really do come in handy. But I didn't know they had a matching cabinet. And the cabinet is only $100. Oh, that is nice. Now my daughter and my husband, they went to look at something else, but I'm going to take a picture of this for her. See, I like this one as well. This is $400. This would be great for all my teacups, but I like this one. It's $500, but I really like this one. I like it because it kind of matches the other one we just saw. Ooh, this is really, really pretty. And my husband and my daughter are back. And my daughter really likes this one right next to it. I like this one. I think this would be great for a dining room. It's like a little small hutch. That was $500. But my daughter likes this one as well. And they're not very deep, which is actually a good thing. So this one is $400. So a great selection in my opinion. Now, as I mentioned before, they have some really great ideas when it comes to perhaps like dining rooms and kitchens. And these pieces are sold separately. Now, I don't believe the price includes installation. That's going to be an additional price. You could hire someone or do it yourself. The drawers are nice. But I love all the storage right here. And I love that it has the glass so you can see what's in the cabinets with the lights. Here's another great idea. This would be a great coffee bar. This is my coffee bar dream right here. Lots of storage space. See, my kitchen is really small. Our drawers are very tiny and narrow, but there's a lot of space here. I could fit all my coffee mugs. Actually, I could probably fit all of our drinkware here, including teacups and teapots. This is a nice setup. Again, the price doesn't include installation, but they will help you plan your kitchen out or your space for free. And looks like delivery is an additional $69. Now, I do have this piece. We actually purchased this 15 years ago. We paid about $110 at the time, so it's $150 now. But this is my current coffee bar. And if you're looking to redo your bathroom, there are some options. I'm just going to share these two. So they sell the sinks, the faucet, and the cabinets. Now, depending on your space, I really like the cabinets because I love that they're drawers. I'm not sure how that would work with the plumbing, but I do like the drawers. So this one is a little smaller, but the price is a little higher. But I like the backsplash. And the drawers, again, that is nice. And this is a new area. So I have 2 Ikea showrooms available, at least closest to me. So I have this one here at Costa Mesa, and then I also go to the one in San Diego off of Friars Road. And this one here at Costa Mesa is huge. So definitely have good walking shoes, maybe even bring a bottle of water, because sometimes halfway through I get really thirsty, but they do have a restaurant here as well. But all the fun little spa items. This looks like a candle holder. And then here are the prices. And office equipment, the chairs, and the desk. So this desk is $490. So this desk can lower or go up. We've seen one at Costco. It's $219. So you can kind of see the price difference. And when it comes to the dressers and the chest of drawers, now my daughter has this and it took us a full day to put it together. The price was good, $350. We purchased it over a year ago. But it fits a lot of clothes. And you can see you have some options. It just definitely know that it's going to take some time to put together. And I do have a couple of these. These actually come in really handy. Kind of helps keep your drawers organized. And those are $7 each. So my husband's reminding me of the time because I could spend hours at this store, but again, we have dinner reservations, so I only have an hour to spend here to go through the whole store, but I will be back soon. Now, this is actually for shoes. So if you want to keep your shoes organized, those are $1.50 each. And here it is right here, kind of a great example. So I'm about to walk down to the lower level where all the kitchen items are, but of course halfway through the stairs they have some items. So there's just a little something for everyone. They have a great kids department as well, but honestly I could get lost in this store. Now there are more items downstairs than kitchen items, but since I'm limited on time, I'll go through those next time. But I really want this tray. It's only $1. I think this is great, especially if you're planting like plants, and that's going to help catch the soil. So for $1, I'm definitely going to pick that up. And the bread bin. I haven't seen these in quite some time. I remember my grandmother had one. $25. And the cutting board. This is nice because you have this little area to slice your pizza. You have the guidelines. And the price, $15. So the kitchen area is really fun. Now this is a bamboo cutting board. This is huge. And you can see it has the little groove on the side, which is great. And that is $25. Now this is also a cutting board. You can use it as a riser if you want to. So many little fun items, and that is $20. Here's a great idea to slice your bread, and then it has a little groove. It's going to catch all the breadcrumbs. It's a perfect little size, $15. And you can use this for a charcuterie board if you wanted to. And these are $10 each. Oh, I really like these cups. So the cups with the saucers, you're getting 4 of them for $10. Oh, I'm going to pick those up. That is a deal. My daughter will love those. And some new spring items. Oh, I like these glasses. Now the glasses are sold separately, so you could buy one if you need to, 20. They're $1.50 each. Now, this is a box set of 4. And they have them right up here. You can use those, they look like little coupes for dessert. Champagne, that is up to you. $25 per box. I found more glasses. And I found purple and blue. I really like the purple. These are pretty. Again, those are $1.50 each. And then here's another box of glasses. 4 of them. These are a little smaller for $16. And then we have another set of 4. These are a little taller, but those are $12 for a pack of 4. And the teapot. Oh, this is perfect. I like how simple it is, but I also like the size of it. Very nice. And this one is $25. And then right next to it, you can use this for cream. You can also use it for syrup if you want to. Those are $8 each. And then we have the clear glass cups. And these are only 80 cents. And more items for tea. Now these are $5 each. It's like a little tea strainer. And I have a couple of these. Those always come in handy for loose tea. Those are $3 each. And I like the coffee scoop. That is $2, no, $3, my apologies. So lots of little options for tea and coffee. Oh, these are good to have on hand. These are $8 each. Well, my time is up. I need to run out and check out with a couple of items I picked up, but I will be back very soon here at IKEA. Everyone, thank you so much for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.